Hey creations fam, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a box for your pop-up greeting cards. This is a card that I made a while back and I decided to make a box since sometimes the envelopes that you have cannot hold the card because they're pop-up cards. So I decided to make this box to show you guys how to do it. It's simple and easy. You can find this card tutorial on my channel. I will place the link in the description box down below. So let's get right into this video. So all you need for this project is 2 pieces of cardstocks, one measure 11 by 6 and 1/8, and the next piece of cardstock measured at 7 and 1/8 by 6 and 1/8. So on the larger piece of cardstock, on the 6 and 1/8 side, you're going to score 1/2 inch and 5 and 1/8 inches. And the 11-inch side, you're going to flip it over and score at 7 and 1/8 inches and then 7 and 3/4 inches. So on the small piece of cardstock, you're going to score at 1/2 inch and 5 and 1/8 inches. So I finished my scoring off camera. So this is what I look like. I don't know if you can see all those lines. So now is the fun part where you burnish all your sides that you already scored, and right here that's what I'm doing with all my side with my bone folder. If you don't have a bone folder, you can always use something else like a ruler or a scissors. So all I'm doing here is to cut those 1-inch ends so that they can glue together to create the box. So you want to snip a little piece off while you're cutting those ends so that you can glue properly off both edges, inside edge and outside edge. So I will place a link in the description box with all my materials that I use in this video, so feel free to check them out in the description box down below. All my links will be down there. So remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. So all you can see, all those open parts, those are the parts that I snip off. And now I'm going to cut the top part of this flaps, both sides, because we don't need those. If you want, you can leave them on and do whatever you like with them, but I will take them off and then I will glue this together. Off camera I will show you guys how to glue it, and then I will do the rest off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. It is just a simple and easy video. So here you have it. That's how you put it together. So this is what my box looks like, and I went ahead and add me some designer papers. You can add your designer series paper on it however you like. Just make sure you follow the measurements of those. I didn't wrote down any of the measurements for the top of my box, but you guys can always estimate how big or how small you want it. And I also added my closure, which I use these closures that I got on Temu. I will try to find them on Amazon and place the link. If not, I will try to place the link for them on the Temu link for you guys. I also pre-made a matching envelope to place money in. So here you have it, the box and my card right here. You can place any 5x7 card in this box. So guys, thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this mini tutorial. I will see you guys in another video. Peace. I'm out.